Amazfit Verge QR code. How to connect Amazfit Verge to phone. Amazfit Pace QR code. The Amazfit Verge smartwatch can connect with a phone using a QR code, which is typically displayed on the watch screen when you first set it up. Here's how the QR code connection process generally works. 1. Download the Zepp app, formerly Amazfit app. Make sure you have the Zepp app installed on your phone, available on iOS and Android. 2. Sign in or create an account. Open the Zepp app, sign in, or create a new account if you don't have one. 3. Start pairing in the app, go to the profile section and select add device. Choose watch as the device type and look for the Amazfit Verge option. 4. Scan the QR code *. When you select the Verge in the app, your watch will display a QR code. Use the app scanner to scan the code from the watch screen. This connects your watch to your phone. 5. Follow instructions *. Once scanned, the app should guide you through the rest of the setup, including any permissions needed for notifications, health tracking, and other features. This QR code-based connection is a simple way to securely link your Amazfit Verge to the app, allowing it to sync data like fitness tracking, notifications, and more.